Hello my dear students. The last class we were discussing the shapes or closed figures made up of straight lines. You can see all these shapes are made up of straight lines. Isn't it? Do you agree with that? Isn't it? Made up of straight lines. This shape you know that. What is it? It is called a Yes, it is called a, you are correct, it is triangle. Okay. Do you know this shape? Do you know this? Don't know? You are correct, it is called a what? Pentagon. So, I have to tell this, the common name for all this, that is the closed figure closed figure made up of straight lines are called, do you know? Yes, the name is called, some of you have said it correct, called polygons. The closed figure made up of straight lines are called polygons. Okay, it is very important portion. In the case of polygons, you have to study its sides, vertices, diagonals, everything. Let's study. Good. Okay. Okay. Do you know what is this polygon name? Its name is, you have studied last year? No. It is called hexagon. Okay. It is called hexagon because it is 6 sides. That all you will study later. Now you understand this. How many vertices it has? How many vertices? What is vertices? The common point joining any two adjacent sides. What I said? Adjacent sides. Adjacent means nearer sides. These two are adjacent sides, isn't it? These two are adjacent sides. These two are adjacent sides, like that. The common point between two adjacent sides are called what is vertices. Let's see what are the vertices here. One vertex, singular is vertex, plural is vertices. One vertex here, one is here, one you can see here also, and here. Understood? Let's call its names. No problem, we can call vertex A, vertex B, vertex C, E, and here F. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 vertices are there. Understood? 6 vertices. So this hexagon has 6 vertices. Okay. So all of you understood what is vertex and vertices? Plural is vertices. So how many sides it has? I have said you. Because it has 6 sides, that is why you are calling it is what? Hexagon. So one side here, second side, it has 6 sides. Okay. So next point is diagonal. It's very important, children. Diagonal. Okay. I have said you A and B are vertices. A and C also vertices. A and D also vertices. Understood? 1 minute. Let's take next page. A, sorry, A, vertex A, B, can you see that? C, D, E, F. So children, A and B are adjacent vertices. A and B are very close, very nearer. A and B are adjacent vertices. A and B are adjacent vertices. So you just find what are the remaining adjacent vertices. A and F, B and C and D and E. All others are not adjacent, non-adjacent. Clear? Adjacent vertices, similarly adjacent sides. Okay. Understood the two terms? Adjacent, the word understand, adjacent sides, that is nearer sides are called adjacent sides, nearer vertices are called adjacent vertices, adjacent vertices. Okay. Adjacent vertices. A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay. So children, what I am going to do, you just listen, understand well. And just joining non-adjacent vertices. For A, B and F are adjacent. I don't want to join, it's already joined. Okay. Similarly, from B, from C, sorry, okay. Okay. So I can join the non-vertices like this. Non-adjacent vertices. Sorry, non-adjacent vertices. So they are called diagonals. Diagonals. Understood children? All of you clear the words? The case of a polygon, what are the words you have to understand? First itself, polygon. What is polygon? That you have to understand. The closed figure made up of straight lines are called polygons. Then its sides, vertices and diagonals. Okay. I think that you can understand well. Let's find more examples. Are you ready to say the answer for all that? Can you see? Name I have said you. Three-sided polygon is called triangle. All are polygons. Three-sided polygons are called triangle. Four-sided polygon is a quadrilateral. Spelling you understand? A quadrilateral. Five-sided polygon is a pentagon. Six-sided polygon is hexagon. Seven-sided polygon is the sides you can write here. Here 3 sides, 4 sides, 5 sides, 6 sides. 7-sided polygon is heptagon and this is 8-sided polygon. Isn't it children? 8-sided polygon is called octagon, nonagon, decagon. The names can you understand? Octagon, nonagon, decagon. Okay. Once more, types of polygons. First one, triangle, quadrilateral, pentagon, hexagon. Then you want to write the names? You want to know the names? Oh my god. You want to. It is not like this. Okay, no problem. Let's try once more. 3 side, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. So tell me children. Triangle, quadrilateral, pentagon, hexagon, then heptagon, octagon, nonagon, decagon. Okay. Then next we want to study about angles. What is angle? Okay. So these all are angles. Then anyway we need a definition. How can you define?